So you can see that this is where we drove across the bridge. This is the road that comes down there, and it joins. So this creates a
Sweeping landscapes of softly rustling green grass, swaying in the wind with a red-toned medieval castle, jutting up from the small hill greets you. Welcome to Doune Castle. If you have ever seen Monty Python or Outlander, then you might recognize Doune Castle. If you watched Monty Python and the Holy Grail, then you will remember a few scenes from this castle. The first, and a personal favorite, was when King Arthur rode up to the castle with his imaginary horse and coconut clapper. The French poked their head over the top, and an exchange of ridiculous insults ensued, at the end of which there was a cow launched over the walls. The second scene was when the Knights of the Round Table met and broke into boisterous song. Here is a bit of film history some may not know. That Game of Thrones used this castle as a basis for Winterfell. Winterfell is the home of many of the main characters and heroes of this international hit TV series.